So when are we going to do the Pied Piper video, mate? You're going to be the... Well, I had this vision of him having this flute
Walking
ready
down
for today. He was going to walk down the street. Everyone with
road and with
MMT, barefoot, purple tops, following you.
bare feet.
Come on in. I've got the solution for you. You're in pain? I've got the
You
answer.
can be out of it. You don't want to be there.
Yeah. That's it. You got pain, we got the answers.
Hi guys, Farnel here with Ninja. Remember last time we did a video on violins and he was going to join the air violin competition. He did really well, but we're back to another instrument and it's the flutist, okay? We're going to be talking about all the flutists. Now, what's interesting is there was a study done that 26.7% of all respondents, that's the flutists, had playing related issues, okay? And 49.8% of those had playing issues while they were actually performing. And 25.8% of those, all of those contestants had ongoing issues where it stopped them from playing, which is the thing that they love to do, okay? Whether you're performing or practicing, they had issues. So if you look at Ninja here, Ninja, if you just
pretend.
do the, yeah, okay, all right, okay.
You're going to hook me, Aaron.
No.
I want to see you play it.
Okay.
On this?
Like that, okay, like that, at your mouth, okay? So, first of all, you've got an area here that is tightened, it's shortened, okay, for flutists. You've got, this can be rounded in, your shoulder, so you're shortening the muscles there. Here, you've got your fingers that you're playing all the time, so all your flexors here are always overactive, right? And here, where he's playing with his fingers, he is definitely doing the same thing. His flexors, but also extensors. So whenever he's lifting up his fingers, he's extending. So he's using both sides. And if they're really tight, it's going to minimize his speed to be able to play. Okay. So what we want to do is release those muscles so that you can actually, as a flutist, continue to do what you enjoy doing. You don't want your body being a hindrance to your ability. Now, this is not something that happens straight away. It's over time. It's like a frog in a pot of water. When it's cold, it doesn't jump out. You start heating it slowly until it boils to death, okay? So this is the sort of thing that it is. I know, that's not
I'm mine's right here. I really like playing the flute.
To you. But the point of it is, your muscles over time are going to be tighter, okay? And it's going to limit your ability. You don't want to be part of those 25.8% of flutists that are not playing anymore.
A big quarter for myself.
Period of time. Yeah, exactly. So
I want to be 100%.
I
want to be
okay?
25%.
And remember, you're practicing towards your air flute competition.
I'm going to be the best in the world.
Exactly. You'll be blowing a lot of hot air, but you'll be okay, all right?
Yes.
So what we're going to do is I'm going to just show some areas that I'll be treating so you continue to play. Now, I play guitar and I'm right-handed, and I'll tell you, over a period of years, my right arm, my flexors have become really tight, okay?
That's what he tells
it's
us.
Limiting,
From the guitar.
It's limiting my ability to play, and I love playing, okay? So it's important to know that even though you may not be in a lot of pain, that to actually get treatment, to have those areas treated so that you're not getting to the stage of pain to get treatment, okay? So do it regularly, like once every 4 months or whatever over the year, to get a treatment, and in order to release all the tensions in your muscles. So I'm going to start with Ninja. So Ninja, I'm going to ask you to lie down on your back for a sec. So one of the first things I'm going to be treating is with that, so he's like this, right? Well, how was it? I've forgotten now. Here, okay?
Come on! You're not going in the competition,
I'm a
are you?
guitarist, I'm not a flutist. So you're doing that. So you're shortening all this area. So you want to open it up, okay? So you don't want to be jammed up. And you can do a lot of stretches as well, where you're holding on to something and stretching and moving across and get all that area here all opened up. And even holding onto something and moving your shoulder back and forth, stretch your area rather than being held tight. So with Ninja, what I'll be doing is I'm going to be this area here that is tightened, You relax your arm. I've got you. I'm going to just be pinning it in and just relaxing. You don't have to blow now.
Just practicing. You can't practice too much, can you? Just a little bit of practice.
Okay, so I'll be pinning that down. So just to get Ninja's body relaxed to the pressure and realise it's not a threat to his body, so his central nervous system will send a signal to his brain that it's okay to release those muscles from being tight. So basically, I'm just pinning it down and slowly releasing that fascia that might be tight there and restricting the elongation of his muscles. Now, if you've been like that for a while, you certainly will be experiencing some pain there. But as you go through this process and we finish, you'll be surprised how loose your shoulder will feel in comparison, say, to your left side in Ninjas, as an example. All along here. And you realise that, so what flutists have also is their main problems stem from their fingers to their hands, to their arms, to their shoulders, and the back of their, so their mid and upper traps and that type of thing. There's quite a number of areas to be treating to be able to release those muscles. So one thing that I would be doing too is just arranging, just basically with pinning a particular muscle here, and I'm going to be just slowly, or just there. Do you feel that?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah. Just move his arm without him moving it, just getting his range of motion increasing there. That's it. That's it. I know, mate. I know. Just think how well you'll be able to play.
Oh, can't wait.
Yeah, I know. I know.
I like playing.
Yeah. That's it. That's it. And now my idea is to, what I want is to be able to actually increase the range of motion really well. Now I'm doing this quickly, but if you were here, I'll be doing this slowly in order to get that increased range of motion. Okay. That's what I would be doing around that area. But the other things I would be doing, Ninja, if you can just slide across a little bit to your right.
You want to sit down, do you?
Or would it be better on that arm there as an example?
Yeah.
No? Okay. All right. So I can now, just those extensors, which would be really becoming really tight, this whole area. I'll show you here. Can you come over here with me?
Oh,
come
go
over.
on an adventure.
Here we go. So these are all your flexors muscles, okay? All there, and they're all attached to that area there. And your extensors are from here. All these muscles here, you can see them, right? And if they're tight, it's going to limit your the movement of those fingers. So I'm going to just try to release that. Okay, so. Okay. So. Are you okay?
I'm good.
All right.
Thank you.
Is the pressure okay?
Yep, good,
All
man.
right. Now just pin that down, and I'll be releasing, and I can actually feel when I come across a nodule or a tight area, and if I come to that area, I'm going to just stay there. Just park there and just wait for that muscle just to melt away and just have flow in that muscle and movement without any restriction. There, I can feel something there.
Cool.
That's it. And I'll just stay there. And when I find out, I'll just slow movements just to release that. And I'll be going straight to that, the attachment. As you can see, what we do here is just slow work. We're not gliding across the muscles quickly. We're just basically working with the muscle of the individual, and as their muscles respond to the treatment, we'll. I know.
Yeah.
I can feel that there is tightness there. There is tightness there. Right there.
Brutal, isn't it, mate?
There. Right in there.
Yeah. Whoa. The heel of the hand is such a good massage tool to play out.
Certainly is.
Yeah. It looks basic, but it's not, is it?
It's not. But what a great feeling to be able to help someone.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Now, just in there.
Oh.
That's it.
Yeah.
So what I want you to do is just extend your fingers up. That's
Whoa.
it. There, keep going. There, keep slowly. Keep on doing
Like
it.
I'm playing the flute?
Like you're playing it slowly, yeah.
Yeah.
Just to release it. That's it. That's tightness there, right there. That's it.
Oh, this musician stuff's a hard gig,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah, certainly. You can imagine pianists
Yep.
playing, continually doing that to release that tension is important.
Yeah.
Okay, a little bit more, that's it.
We're talking
Yeah.
about play, the word play.
Yes,
It's an important part of life.
it certainly is.
Have some fun and not have to have outcomes.
It doesn't have to have outcome, but it's just enjoying life.
Yeah. That's what music's about, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's
It
a
is.
celebration.
Down the tools and just, relax the mind and the body, and
Yeah.
very important.
Have a dance, have a sing,
Yeah,
or just listen to the vibration,
Exactly.
where it takes you.
dance like no one is watching you, you know.
You do that all the time, don't you,
I
Farnel?
do that all the time. No one's around. I'm the best bouncer on the planet, I can tell you that.
Yeah. You do it.
Okay. So what I'll do too is I will actually just get in between these fingers, these muscles here. Just in there. To release. That's it. And in there. Sorry, mate. Didn't mean to hit you there. You right there?
Yeah, we use our hands so much in our
We do.
lifetime, don't we? And
That's right.
we don't think to get them treated. Yeah, it holds a lot of tension in there.
So true.
Little spaces, they don't have much room to be swollen, inflamed, and extra scar tissue and things like that. There's not much space, not much leeway. So
No, there isn't.
So yeah, you can get in there. Oh, just in there, man.
In there,
It's awesome.
yeah.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah, I can feel that. In comparison to you, that's really tight there.
Yeah.
There we go.
Beautiful sunny day today, Farnsy.
Lovely day, mate. Lovely day.
Well,
It's hard to see it when you're squinting your eyes like you
I know.
with the pain. Okay, just once more.
So when are we going to do the Pied Piper video, mate? You're going to be the... Well, I had this vision of him having this flute
Walking
ready
down
for today. He was going to walk down the street. Everyone
Big
with
road and with
MMT,
having all the-
barefoot, purple tops, following you.
bare feet.
Come on in. I've got the solution for you. You're in pain? I've got
Well,
the
you can
answer.
be out of it. You don't want to be there.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
it. You got pain, we got the answers. Come see Farnsy.
Oh,
If you're-
anytime. Anytime.
If you're a violinist or a flute player now, you know that you're a guitarist. We had this
exactly.
whole series of videos and going through all the instruments. You're going to I'm going to carry a piano up the stairs here, put it on my back, and wheel it down along the corridor.
Oh,
How much do pianos weigh?
mate, they're heavy.
200
Yeah,
kilos? Probably.
I don't know, mate. I don't know. That's a
A
very
grand
good question.
piano. A grand piano would be
mate,
heavy.
You
wouldn't
won't
it?
even fit that in here.
No, we'd fit a little one in, I reckon. Yeah.
Okay. So we're just doing the flexors as well, just to loosen them up.
Yeah, I'm going to carry a piano.
This is
up
fun.
here. Yeah, I love
This is fun.
Yeah. Can't wait to carry a piano up here.
It'll probably be one of those kids' toy ones.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I want you to do is, I just want you to, again, flex your fingers. That's it. Keep on doing. Keep doing. That's it. Keep on doing. All of them. Or just do more. That's it. Keep going. That's it. Get up. That's it. That's good. All right. And the last one I'm going to do with Ninja is, remember what I said about Flutist? It's also it's the whole arm and the mid and upper back, the shoulder area that people feel pain. I'm going to get you to roll over, please, mate. Just if you can just lie face down. There you go. Brilliant. Put a towel over you, make you look decent, mate.
Ah,
There you go.
please, I'm feeling a bit vulnerable. I'm vulnerable.
Don't want that.
No,
I want you to feel comfortable.
I want to feel safe.
Exactly. Okay.
Make me feel safe.
So that's the area that we're working. So it's going to be all here. We'll be working along. Okay. So you see that all of this is all attached, all one unit. Okay. So you're not going to just feel pain in one area and not be affected elsewhere. So one thing that I will be doing is just pinning that. There we go. That area there. Okay, just let it relax. Let Ninja get comfortable with that. Just his body. Realize it's not a threat to his body. Okay, and as he's relaxed, I'll just slowly just glide and just release that fascia there. So all I'm doing there is just basically his mid and lower traps. Just gliding over it. That's it. Not long to go now, Ninja.
Terrific. Can't wait to be into that competition.
Yeah, mate. I want you to come
All guns
back
blazing.
with a trophy on
Yeah,
that.
I know. Gold medal around my neck.
Definitely.
That's it.
You were robbed of the last one, mate.
I know.
You should have won that.
I know. I had all these tricks too.
I know.
You know.
Put your arm by your side. Definitely. Well, the other thing I would be doing is see that how that whole area is red. Yeah. There's blood flow happening in that area. So that blood flow is really good because it brings in nutrition and just starts own healing properties just to rejuvenate that muscle. So around the scapula. Remember, it's this whole arm, so I won't just treat one area. I'll be treating. Okay. Right there. Right there. You okay, Ninja?
Yeah, mate.
Okay. And wherever he feels the pain most, I stay there. And just wait for that pain to reduce. That's it, mate. Well done. Well done. Okay, now they're just some of the areas that I would be treating, but it's, like I said, I'll be treating the whole arm, not just one particular section. So, because it's one complete, it's a sum of one. It's not just one individual muscle. So if you're a flutist, you don't have to be in pain to get treatment. Get a maintenance treatment. It'll release those muscles so you can actually be able to play better and enjoy what you do most of all. Okay? See you. Book. What do you say?
All the flutists around Melbourne, get it done!
Done. Exactly.